Ladies and gentlemen, our engineer is just about ready to close up Boomtown. He appears on the fence about it. Visual puns. He's actually waiting just to get a few more passengers on board. We've only got a few seats left. Only a few seats left. When I say a few seats, I mean we got a few dozen rows. Rows are about 6 seats each. Lots of empty rows here in the third coach. Just saying. Lots of empty rows. No, yeah. It's okay, Tristan showered. Yesterday. He's real nice, I swear. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now that y'all got nice and situated, welcome to the Six Flags in Texas Railroad, where reality and disappointment collide. The very first rule to ride this train, please reach down to the right-hand side and grab that safety waist belt over to the left. Major look, there's no seat belts. So please remain in your seats while this train is in motion. No hopping up, no jumping around. Honestly, ladies and gentlemen, where do you think you are? An amusement park? Oh, wait. Second rule, keep all arms, legs, heads, friends, family, small children, siblings in the coaches at all times. At all times, yes. That does in fact include you. Yeah, sir, please pull that big old hairy leg back into the front. Oh, man, I'm so sorry. Third and final rule, any belongings that you get on this train within your next destination. Hop off with all belongings. Those can include strollers, wallets, purses, cameras, cups, trash, wrappers, napkins, food boxes, sticks, bubbles, X's, or in-laws if you don't want to. Well, what makes you think we do? You go over there in the station, you just missed us by a hot minute, but don't you worry, we'll be back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes or 2 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be back eventually. You sit back and watch the Netflix like a drug order of pizza. Share pizza with the conductor. Get on first. As we're heading out from the station, we're going to be going through a crossing. It's our first time through the crossing this morning. All these people are really confused as to where this train is coming from and where it's going. Just give them a big old friendly wave. Wave to the left, wave to the right. Or what you can do is you can help me advertise, raise those arms in the air and scream like it's the most exciting ride. Six Flags over Texas. You're having fun. Just make them believe it. Wave, wave, wave. Keep waving. Make it look convincing now. Come on, wave, wave, wave. Make it look really good. Make it look like you're having fun. Wave. Keep waving, keep waving, keep waving. Good job. I think you fooled them. Now if you look to the left-hand side, on the left-hand side. If you look to the left-hand side, you will see bushes. That's where your bushes stand. Like bushes that are highly trained. Do not reach out and whack our bushes. They're 5 feet highly trained. You reach out, whack the one, and whack you back, and you'll be bushwhacked. Sometimes the bushes have thorns. If you reach out, whack the wrong one, well, you'll get the point. Now on the right-hand side, Aquaman splashdown. It'll cool you off faster than anything else here at Six Flags over Texas with a big 1,400-gallon pool of water and sweat. If you're thirsty, you can hop in one of those boats in the big splash, open up your mouth and get a nice deep drink of that Six Flags water. It's flavored. Now coming up on the left-hand side, Bugs Bunny, we've got a fantastic part of the party. Here with the kids, we're all the right for scale down by. That's right, Justin here. Gonna be waiting to the left-hand side and waiting to the right-hand side at our crossing unattended. They've stood here waving at us all day. Give them a wave back. To the left-hand side in this area is the Lost Parents car. That's right, the Six Flags over Texas Lost Parents car. Because here at Six Flags, we don't lose children, we lose parents. Probably why we have a Batman ride. As we're going up the hill around the Main Street ahead is the tunnel. Now this is the only tunnel on our railroad. It's your only chance to scream your heads up. You want to, so scream loud. That wasn't too bad. Got a few people screaming. You know, I don't know, Brady don't want to ride this later. You gotta really appreciate screaming through the tunnel because back there we got all these people who are coming into the park. That tunnel runs underneath the main entrance, and if y'all are all screaming, everyone up there thinks it's haunted. True facts. As we're going up the hill, we're coming up on our Hobo Hilton. It is our one and only vacation resort here at Six Flags over Texas. And it's a 5-star resort, rustic, cozy, running water in every room when it rains. That is when you'll lie on the floor at night and look through the whole roof and you will see 5 stars. Come back later in the year, you can see Orion's belt, though I'll be honest, I'm not going to Orion's belt. You take a look behind us. We're leaving tracks. And as we're going down the hill and under the lobby floor, give a big wave good morning to the left-hand side. No, not to the dummies on the left, but to the mannequins on the left. Give a big wave, wave to the left. Wave to the left, 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 wave to the left. You want to know what my favorite part about my job is these mornings? I get to make people on the train wave good morning to mannequins. As we're going down the hill to the right-hand side, Now let's set it down. Our historic world's first log flume ride, built back in 1963, just 2 years after this park opened. It was so popular it had an almost 3-hour-long wait, so 2 years later they built a second track for it. During those times, it was simply called the log flume, so they called the two tracks Flumes 1 and 2. The empty track that you see, yes, many of you will probably ask about it. They know they're probably not going to run it today. That is the original 1963 Flume 1. They don't run it as often as the other. Flume 2 is a little more modernized. As we're flying into the station, to the left-hand side, give everybody in line down there a big wave. They've been in that line for almost 2 days now. They're hungry, they're tired, and there's nobody there. Oh well. As we're going into Johnson Creek Station, each and every one of you got a decision to make. You can hop off here at Johnson Creek, or you can ride with us back to Boomtown, but you can't do both and you can't do neither, so you best make up your mind here. We'll face it. As we go flying into the station, for your safety and my sake, remain in your seats. Don't slide over. Don't stand up. Don't move an inch until I tell you to. I hear one whistle from the engineer, so just sit back, relax, and wait for that whistle. That's all you gotta do. Don't break my heart. Wait for that whistle. Now wait for it. Wait for it. Not yet. Get off.